and loud. That's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance? We'll be so fine.
Hi guys, just now I have completed 6 steps wine facial. My skin is glowing, right? So if you want to get glowing skin in just 6 simple steps, then keep on watching.
I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share love one day.
Nowadays we are not going outside and it is not safe also to go to parlor for facials. So let's do a facial at our home only with just simple 6 steps. It is just like the parlor facials. In fact, this is much more affordable as because you can use this facial kit minimum 4 times. You can purchase Nutriglow Wine Facial Kit from www.nutriglowcosmetics.com. You will get combo offers like this facial massager is absolutely free with this wine facial kit for just rupees 499. You can also purchase this at 225 rupees. It's a combo deal where you will get the face wash and wine facial kit. Another amazing combo offer is that you get a straightener free with this wine facial kit for just rupees 499. Well, I have with me the 5-in-1 face massager and the facial kit, so I'm really happy with that because it's a steal deal. And this wine facial kit is very nice as because it contains the benefits of red wine which prevents aging, and it is packed with antioxidants which helps fight aging by restoring collagen and elastin fibers. This facial kit contains 6 simple steps, that is cleanser, facial scrub, facial gel, facial massager cream, face pack and a serum.
That's how you feel. You went so far away.
The first step is obviously cleanser. On your clean face, just massage this cleanser, and you can see this cleanser is superb with small beads in it which helps in exfoliating and cleaning your skin deeply. You can use this kind of facial massager. This is so relaxing and this gives better result. In fact, the fragrance of this cleanser is superb and I am just enjoying myself during this facial session.
I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share.
Massage thoroughly and don't forget your neck. After washing my face, you can see the difference. My face feels clean and it is super clean. Now step 2 is exfoliating scrub, and this scrub particles are so mild that if you have acne or pimple problems then it won't irritate your acne as well. And this facial kit is suitable for all skin types. It's suitable for men also.
Love one day.
While scrubbing, you need to focus on the areas of blackheads and whiteheads. You can also use your hand for scrubbing as I am using here. After washing my face, you can see my face is super clean and those blackheads and whiteheads are also gone, so I'm feeling really fresh. Now it's time for step 3, which is a facial gel. The best part about this facial gel is that it is really nourishing, and I am using this sponge applicator on my massager and I am kind of massaging my face with it so that it gives me proper blood circulation and provides a subtle glow to my face. So it is really important that your blood circulation is on point. That's why facial massaging is really important. Also, you can always use your hand for facial massaging, and I'm showing some of the techniques of a proper massage. You can definitely follow these techniques to get a proper facial massage. Also, have you noticed one thing about this wine facial kit? All the steps are of pink color and that's superb.
Anyone, a brand new story, only ready for you and me. I wish it
So now it's time for whitening cream. I'm applying 2 drops of serum with it and then I will be massaging this all over my face. Now you really need to massage this cream well into your skin. That's why I'm adding the serum as well, and massage this very nicely. I'm showing some of the techniques of a proper massage. You can follow these definitely. Now massaging is really important in facials because a good facial means a good massage and it will provide very nice glow to your face as well. Massage this cream well into your skin. It will get absorbed and you don't need to wash this. Now it's my favorite step, which is facial pack. You really need to apply the facial pack very nicely from your face to your neck, and after 15 minutes just wash it off with normal water.
and loud. That's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance? We'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow.
You can see how clear my face is looking right now. Now it's time for the serum. Just apply 2 to 3 drops of the serum all over your face and neck and you are good to go. Overall, I love this facial. You really need to try this out, and it provided a subtle glow to my face. It cleared my face, and definitely you can use this facial twice a month also. NutriGlow Cosmetics Wine Facial Kit can be used by men, women and even teenagers also. And this is so effective. After one use only, you can see the glow in my face. You can see the difference. NutriGlow products are free from parabens, sulfates and any sort of chemicals. Easily available on www.nutriglowcosmetics.com. You can also purchase NutriGlow products from Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Nykaa. Purchase this wine facial kit and do let me know in the comment section below what's your experience with it.